it's a tornado. It's a tornado. Power flashes. Tornado on I-40.
It's outflow.
It's moving southeast.
Southeast.
Oh yeah, I can see the other edge. It's a big tornado right here.
No.
There's the left side.
Wow. Wow. Holy shit.
We're right up beside it. Large tornado. Across the road, right ahead of us. Holy smokes! Can you see the right side of it?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God. Auto Club, large rain wrap tornado just south of Interstate 40.
Large tornado south of Interstate 40, rain wrapping.
It just crossed right in front of us. Power flashes. Big.
Wow.